Has it ever bothered you that human nature hasn't changed since Homo Sapiens emerged? Like, for the last 300 fucking thousand years, we just changed the surface of the same cycle, but feel the same fear, love, jealousy, empathy, shame, curiosity, hatred, hunger for the status and power. Shit always have been there. And our feelings are new, nothing new. Do your research on anything you thought was new, and there's nothing. Every generation thinks it's experiencing something new just because, it's the first time for them. And that's funny. Yeah. The world changes though. We act differently, look differently, but all we really have inside is human nature. Ancient forces wear new bodies and new masks, pretending to be individuals. And that's fucking crazy.